Today, we're diving into the world of power supplies with the P75 750W 80+Gold fully modular power supply. Right off the bat, let's talk about efficiency. This bad boy boasts up to 90% conversion efficiency, meaning it generates less heat and saves you money on operating costs. Efficiency is key, especially for those long gaming sessions or intense rendering tasks. One standout feature is the smart temperature-controlled fan. This power supply isn't just about delivering power, it's about doing it quietly and efficiently. With built-in control modes that adjust fan speed based on temperature ranges and output power, you can expect stability without the annoying noise levels often associated with power supplies. But efficiency and quiet operation aren't the only things this power supply has going for it. The fully modular design with flexible flat cables makes cable management a breeze. Say goodbye to cluttered builds and hello to improved airflow and aesthetics. Safety is always a priority, and the P75 doesn't disappoint. It comes equipped with multiple protection safeguards including overcurrent protection, over and under voltage protection, short circuit protection, over temperature protection, and over power protection. These features ensure quality performance and safe power usage, giving you peace of mind during those intense computing sessions. Let's not forget about reliability. Premium Japanese capacitors with a 105 degrees Celsius rating improve power stability at higher temperatures, ensuring an ultra-long lifespan for your power supply. Overall, the P75 750W 80+Gold fully modular power supply is a solid choice for any PC builder looking for efficiency, reliability, and quiet operation. Whether you're a gamer, content creator, or just need a reliable power source for your everyday tasks, the P75 has you covered. Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.